Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Thursday and marks another trading day of the week. Also, today is the beginning of a new month, the month of May. And with that regard, happy new month. And it is my prayer that this month shows you a lot of blues as you're applying your discipline, your risk management, and you are building your psychology strongly. You are going to see so much blues this month. All right. Yeah. And also today, you officially resume from the break we took to empower ourselves. So we are starting today as traders and we are going to trade today. All right. So without wasting much time, let's quickly go to the chart starting from monthly time frames since it is the beginning of a new month. What is happening in the market today? This is crazy. If you look at how the monthly candle has closed and how sharply this one is dropping within some few seconds, 500 pips already just this night. All right, so if you look at the monthly time frame, you can see that gold has been bullish since 2018 September. Not even since it started trading, it has been bullish since. All right, look at that. It has been all bullish. Right. But we are only focusing on this part, okay? Mhm. So if you look at it very well, you can see clearly that last month's candle opened right from here, went for a pullback and flew all the way to 3500 and then came to close at 3288. All right. Yeah. So what is likely to happen this month? And you can see the way the bearish candle has opened, it is really scary. Honestly, the rejection, and after the rejection, the way it has opened is scary. There is a probability that we can even test the 3126 with this line. All right. But if this month's candle closes below the opening of last month's candle, then probably we can even test 27. Okay. We can test 27. All right. So let's go to weekly chart. Now, if you look at weekly shit, look at how weekly is also going. The weekly is trying to give us a tweezer, an evening star pattern, right? An evening star pattern. And if that happens, then we can drop. We can really drop. So how far can this market actually go this week? The evening star is not confirmed because the week has not ended. Always take note of that. Okay. We cannot say this is an evening star because it has not closed. We have one day, 18 hours left. So we cannot conclude yet. All right. So since we can't conclude, we can't really make any solid decision. Yeah. So this is the weekly support. This is the weekly resistance so far. Now let's move back to daily. If we go to daily, oh, okay. Yesterday, I told you guys about this resistance and how strong it has become. And also, I spoke about this support, right? I spoke about this particular support, which has already been broken, or it has not been broken yet, but I would say it has been broken because yesterday's candle closed bearish. And look at how this morning it's dropping. My question for you is, do you think the market can respect this level? This is a very big question. Do you think it can respect this level? Maybe it can, and maybe not. All right. Yeah, so what we have to do is to just sit back and watch, okay? If the market is not able to respect this level, it will break and come all the way to 31, 34, and 30, 82, and lastly 29, 82. All right. So these are the levels we will be focusing on. But for today's purpose, today I'll observe what will happen at 32, 37 and 3208 levels. These two levels, I'll observe what is going to happen right there. If the market gives us any sign that, of course, it is respecting that level, then we are going to look for some buys. If not, we will wait for a pullback and sell. All right. Yeah, we will wait for a pullback and sell. So if you look at H4 time frame, if you look at H4 has broken us through this structure, as you can see clearly with this strong candle. And where it has come to, even though there is a demand, you see, this is a rally base. So this is the base. The market testing the base at the moment. Yeah, it's coming to the base. Is it going to respect or is going to break? At the same time, we have a bullish engulfing pattern right here. So the market can react within this zone right here. Okay, but this is a 220 pips zone from here to there, 220 pips. So my advice, just wait. Okay, don't be in a hurry to do anything yet. Just wait and watch and see to the end what is going to happen. Once you get your confirmations, you get everything you want to see right, you can actually go into this market and pick some trades. Until then, don't do anything because remember, this is the beginning of a new month, so the market is going to move crazily. All right, so H1, what is happening in H1? Now, if you look at H1, you can see that, of course, we have a nice order block right here, or a demand, just like the H4 demand is still showing at H1 right here. Okay, yeah. So are we going to respect or we are going to break it? Just be on the sidelines and watch. Okay, once the market presents any good opportunity to you, then you take advantage of it. If you don't get any opportunity, just I'll watch the market and do nothing. Okay? It is better to miss an opportunity in the market than to rush and enter wrong. Always understand this. So we are going to be on the sidelines and watch what is going to happen right here. Yeah, so this level I will watch and see. If you respect this level, we can buy all the way to the 74 zone, which is 440 pips zone. Then from there, we can look for another sell, okay? Because you can see strong break of structure right there. Yeah. So guys, just sit back, relax, and watch and see what is really going to happen today, okay? Yeah. If the market breaks this level and decides to drop, I'll rather wait at this level at 31.88. Why? I will wait here because I see all this being liquidity. So the market will just go down sharply to test this level. That's the demand. You see a demand right here, and then push up again. Okay. So I will watch this stop hunt take place. After the stop hunt, then I will enter from here. So even at this level, I can enter like a tap and go or a sniper entry, of which we will watch and see if that is going to happen today. Okay. Yes. So for the meantime, it's either we wait here for a sell, or we observe what is going to happen here. If this candle closes above this bullish engulfing, this bearish engulfing, and we get a bullish engulfing here, we can buy from here all the way to the 74. And from there, we can still look for a continuation sell to the downside. All right. Guys, if you like the video, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, comment, like, and share. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. If you come to 30 minutes, let me show you 30-minute structure. You can see 30 minutes has accumulated some volumes right here. So, like I said, we wait until we see what we want to see, but I'm still anticipating this market comes all the way to 31.88, and that will be a good buy for me. All right. Make sure to manage your risk very well, because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. And until then, I will see you in the next video, and have a nice day.